Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up your guides, Instagram guides settings, privacy settings, so people can use your posts in their guides. So as we all know, Instagram just launched the new guides feature where you can create like small articles, guides, like more in-depth information about your interests. So to set up these privacy settings, you have to go to the settings, then here you will find the privacy option, and here is the guides menu. Go to guides. Here is one single switch which says allow others to use your posts. Other people can add your photos to their guide. Your username will always show up with your post. So this can be a really good feature to increase your reach by enabling others to use your posts and share it to their followers. So I think this is a very useful feature, and you can turn it on or off in this menu. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.